Hey everybody, welcome to my new YouTube video about Slickdeals. In this short tutorial, I would like to show you how to delete your Slickdeals account. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is just open up Slickdeals and at the top right, find your account. Of course, you need to sign in firstly. Now click on your profile icon at the top right and find here settings and options. Let's click on it. Okay, now on the left side, click on Account Basics and just scroll down to the very bottom. Okay, and here you'll find the necessary feature, Close My Account. So it's the same as deleting. And now we need to click on Close My Account. Let's do it. Just wait a bit. Close account. We're sorry to see you go. Before you go, if you're getting too many emails from us, you can disable them here, and so on. So all your information and your account will be deleted. Just be careful. And after you read it, just click on the continue button. Okay. Now you need to type your email address right here. Select why are you closing your account, and you can add additional comments. And after that, just check this checkbox and click on submit. And by the way, on your email address, you will receive a message from Slickdeals where you need to confirm your email. So let's do it. This is the last step to delete your account. And finally, that's all. Your request is confirmed. We will review your request and contact you shortly. So it means that your account is deleted. Hope my video was helpful. Please subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Bye bye.